I just bought this coloring book for Charlotte, and I love that it has color, that it's not all just black and white. I love that first it teaches the kids about colors, and then it invites kids to learn, for example, that hearts are red, that apples are red, and then they can go ahead and color the heart red and the apple red. It has a couple of different examples for the different colors. And then what I thought was pretty cool also is that it also teaches numbers. So there's some meaning behind just this coloring book. So this is the number 1. That's what the number looks like. And there's 1 truck. So they get to color the truck and the number. But then they see that this is the number 2. And then there's 2 bears. And they get to color that. And so I just thought that that was pretty cool. A very different type of coloring book for kids. And Charlotte loved it as soon as I gave it to her.